So hello and welcome guys in my today's live session. I would like to welcome each and everybody who has joined this live session. I really appreciate guys that you have joined this live session, and good morning each and everyone who has joined this live session. Okay, so this live session is going to be very informative because there is a new mining project has been launched on Sol. Okay, on Sol. So this gaming economics enhance the future of gaming. Okay, this gaming economics will enhance the future of the gaming, and yes, this is one of the different airdrops and from the others, and they have designed a very good or very effective, you say, and you say a different kind of airdrop. Okay, so this is the SVM Sonic airdrop, guys. Okay, SVM Sonic airdrop by Sol, or you say Solana. Okay guys, and this is one of the different airdrop launched by the people, by them, and on the Sol's part. Okay guys, so it is the future of the gaming economics. Okay, it is the first modular SVM chain. Okay, so what is this SVM? So economics, SVM Sonic is, it is the first modular SVM chain. Okay guys, and this airdrop is different from others and the first gaming SVM on Solana. Okay, so this project is launched by them, and this is the first gaming SVM on Solana, and it is the future of the gaming economics. Alright guys, future of the gaming economics, and this airdrop is in the platform of get.io. So this get.io is providing you a free offering of this new airdrop, and you can claim this airdrop for free. Okay, so I will discuss that later on, how you can claim this free offering and free airdrop, and you earn profit from it. Okay, so later on I will discuss whole thing, but before proceeding to our topic, I would like to give you some information what is this Sonic gaming is about. Okay guys, so as I said, it is a first modular SVM chain. So this is a first project and very different airdrop. Okay guys, very different airdrop has been introduced by Solana for the future of gaming economics. So guys, can you imagine the future of gaming economics will be shined, because this project is really very different, and this project is grabbing the attention all around the world, especially in the cryptos world. Okay, so whoever as also they provide you a strong security with your wallet as well. Okay, with your wallet as well, they have a strong protocol, and yes, it is very safe. You can to save to plan your investment, and let me give you, so let's talk more about what is this Sonic. Okay, what is this Sonic, why it is has introduced, and how you can claim this very important, very different airdrop. Yes guys, this is very different airdrop. So experiencing gaming at the speed of light. So wow, you can experience this gaming at the speed of light. You can experience gaming at the speed of light, which means this airdrop is highly different, or you say is very speed very different, and it gives you a speed of light. Okay, it gives you a speed of light. So आप समझ सकते हो कि this airdrop is how much important. Okay, now what is this Sonic? Sonic enables sovereign game economics that roll up to Solana. Okay, built with customized VM, agnostic game engines, and hypergrid interpreter. Okay, guys, so this is short disclaimer about what is this Sonic, and it is introduced by and roll up to Soul. So these people have introduced this project, which is the future of gaming economics. Okay, build on Sonic. Yes, this project is built on Sonic, and this is game partners. Okay, ecosystem partners. Now our vision, what is their vision? Okay, so you need to understand what is the vision of introducing such kind of project to you. Okay, so unlocking new experiences for both builders and the players. Okay, guys, they are unlocking new experience. They wanted to give you new experience. Who doesn't want to have some new experience? We all want to have new experience, want to do many experiences in our life. Okay, so these provides you new experiences. Okay, so as they have written here that they are unlocking new experience, which means they bring a lot of enjoyment, lot of joy in your crypto investment journey. Okay, guys, so yes, in this way it becomes a very joyful project as well. So Sonic's vision is to expand the existing Solana gaming, guys. Okay, Sol's gaming ecosystem to process millions of requests per second per game and settle them back on Sol SL L1. Okay. So this is about the Soul's performance. Okay, and the players. So vision क्या है इसका? To expand, they wanted to expand the existing Solana game. Okay, they want to give you a more exposure. Okay, guys, they wanted to give you a more exposure of Solana game ecosystem. They wanted to expand the Solana game, which means they are providing you many excitement experiences. Okay, they are coming together to give you many excitement experiences and process millions of requests per second and per game and settle them back on Solana L1. Okay, now hypergrid. Okay, hypergrid Solana's state of the art layer 2. Okay, so let me explain you that. So hypergrid is a parallel processing framework designed to introduce customizability and scale while being natively composable to Solana, guys. Okay, now hypergrid overview. Okay, let me show you hypergrid overview. So hypergrid, the super chain framework for Sol. So can you imagine, guys, in this single project how much important features they are providing you. Okay, and you are claiming this project for free on the Get.io platform. Okay, so the super chain framework for Solana. Hypergrid is a framework for orchestrating optimistic Solana roll-ups called greeds. A greed is an SVM execution network designed to introduce customizability and scale while being natively composable to Solana. Okay, get started. Let me check out what is this. Okay, so introducing Hypergrid, introducing Sonic. So introducing Sonic, I would like to explain this to you. Now, Sonic is the first atomic SVM chain. Okay guys, this is the first atomic SVM chain built to enable sovereign game economies on Solana. Okay, so Sonic enables sovereign gaming economics that roll up and settle on Solana. Okay guys, so this is basically a project by Souls people. Okay, Solana. Now Sonic is built on top of the first concurrent scaling framework for Solana called Hypergrid. So Sonic is the first instance of a grid orchestrated by this framework. Okay, now Hypergrid is designed to introduce customizability and scale while remaining natively composable to Solana. So Hypergrid is designed, what is this designed for? This Hypergrid to introduce customizability and scale. So can you imagine guys, this single project is giving you so much important features. Okay, now vision you need to understand. Okay, what is the vision of this project? Okay, so Sonic was built to unlock new experiences for both builders and the players. So we designed Sonic to be the brewing ground for a world of high performance decentralized gaming, creating a distinction from the traditional trading experience of in-game assets. So they wanted to replace high performance decentralized gaming to the traditional trading experiences guys. Okay, they are providing you a new experiences, high performances, and they are replacing this gaming project with trading. They are providing you a new experiences and replacing from traditional trading experiences. Okay, so who doesn't want to gain new experience? Everybody. Why choose Sonic? So there arises a question, why choose Sonic? Okay, so they have also explained this. As I am explaining you this project, there arises a question in your mind that why you should choose Sonic. Okay, so they have beautifully explained their vision here and why to choose Sonic. So lightning speed at low cost, exactly. So this is one of the important significances of this project. What they are providing you, they are lightning speed at low cost. Okay, so Sonic offers a really fast on-chain gaming experience amongst all gaming L1S powered by SVM guys. Okay, so fast on chain gaming experiences. So यहाँ पर आपको that's why I told in the beginning of this live stream that this airdrop is different from others. So now you are realizing that, now you can realize that why I said कि this project is different from other airdrops. Okay, so it inhabits many important significance. Okay, now atomic interoperability. So execute transactions on Sonic without redeploying your Solana program and account. So you need not to redeploying your Solana program and accounts. So this project have no relation with your Solana program and your any Sol account, guys. Okay, so you see there's a lot of features they are giving you, many more features they are giving you. So they have no relation, they have no no relation with your account, Sol account. So benefit directly from Solana's base layer services and the liquidity. Okay, you got my point, guys. So guys, at any point of time, if you wanted to ask me any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, but I will try to explain each and every parts of with you, so that you will not got confused at any level. Okay, so right from EVM execute on SVM. Yes, right from EVM now you execute on SVM. Now seamlessly deploy dApps from EVM chains to Solana via hypergrid's interpreter. Okay, so composable gaming primitives and sandbox environment. All right, guys. So Sonic exposes sorry now so what is written here is Solana program and account now composable gaming primitives and sandbox environment. So Sonic exposes native composable gaming primitives and extensible data types based on the ECS framework on Chain, the game engine sandbox utilities to developers while building their business login on Chain. Okay. So are you all getting my point now? Monetization infrastructure. Okay, so what is this monetization infrastructure? So Sonic is natively enabled with growth, so monetization infrastructure Sonic is natively enabled with growth. Oh, shit, yaar. Sorry for the inconveniences causing to you guys. Now, Sonic is natively enabled with growth, traffic payment and settlement infrastructure for games. Okay, now we have seen and the Sonic white paper. What is the Sonic white paper? Let me explain you that. So this is an early vision of this white paper. We intend to expound on it more in the coming weeks. So the Solana blockchain is re-owned for its high throughput capabilities and relatively low gas fees, and it has seen rapid growth in recent years. So the number of wallet accounts grew from this 100K in 2022 to 1 million in 2023. Okay, and is expected to reach 5 million in 2024, guys. Okay, so this is expected to reach how much? 5 million in 2024, 10 million in 2025 and 25 million in 2026 and 50 million in 2027. Okay, so this is one of the, you can say, a very good project who have grabbed the attention all over the world. That's why it accounts grew this much. Okay, this much. Now, simultaneously, the growth of DApps and DeFi's activity is even faster. So, with the number of transactions executed per month jumping from an average of this per day in January 2022. So, can you imagine this figure? How much this figure is January 2022 to this much per day in January 2024? So even by the most conservative estimates, the number of daily transactions is expected to far exceed 4 billion by 2026 and more likely reach tens of billions. Okay. Alright guys, sorry for this technical issues guys. Really sorry. Clearly, under such demand pressure, the throughput capacity provided by the current architecture of Sol L1 will face significant challenges currently under the condition of this much. Okay. All right. So currently under the condition of this much, the average pinch time of the Solana cluster fluctuated. So ये रहा आपका white paper. So this Sonic, okay guys, this Sonic is designed to address such scenarios, being able to comfortably handle the large and high instantaneous transaction impacts of game-centric DApps. Okay guys, now white paper I had discussed with you, this vision why to choose Sonic I had already discussed you. Now hybrid framework, this is the hybrid framework. So यहाँ पे what is this approach offers several benefits. Okay guys, so this approach of Sonic by the Souls approach, they offers you several benefits. So what are these benefits are, so creates a single source of truth for all programs running on Sol, facilitates the delegation of program computation to hypergrid, enable roll-ups to benefits from the base layer services and liquidity. Okay. Alright guys, so are you all getting my point? What I'm trying to make you understand here is, so why this startup or you say mining project is important. Okay, you see this first SVM Grid to launch on Solana. Okay, for general, for क्या हो रहा है यार? Okay, just a second guys. There's a technical issue. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience has caused to you guys. I'm really sorry. Okay. Now you see. Now you see this Sonic game Sonic. Okay. For games and applications, home for Sonic's industry's first Web3 TikTok app layer. Okay. This hypergrid documentation, what's next, and injectives. So AI agent SVM grid, okay, SVM grid injective smart agent hub enables developers to build, manage, and monetize AI agents in Solana's decentralized ecosystem. Okay guys, Solana's decentralized ecosystem. So guys, anybody wanted to ask me any question, guys, please feel free to ask me. Okay, I'm here to assist you and help you out with your query. Okay, now we are proceeding to this. Now let's talk Sonic overview, its vision, Sonic ecosystem. Now, frequently asked questions. Okay, overview we have seen, networks, Sonic hypergrid, docs. So we have seen this. Careers. So we'll talk about career. Okay, everybody wanted to know what is a career. So career page. So Mirror World Inc. is a technical company dedicated to building Solana scaling solutions, SVM, hypergrid, and gaming infrastructure to further expand the Sonic ecosystem. So Sonic is the first atomic SVM chain built to enable sovereign game economics on Solana. Okay, so Sonic vision is to expand the existing Solana gaming ecosystem to process millions of requests per second per game and settle them on Solana L1. Okay, now open, ये सारा ओपन पोजिशंस है इनका, perk and benefits. You see, competitive compensation package, remote work flexibility, team building and holiday benefits. तो ये तो important नहीं यार. Values now. Soul's career page, I had already discussed you. Okay. So we have discussed all these. Sonic Accelerate Spin program. Now this is Sonic page, Sonic SVM price. So it ranked hashtag 17,215. Okay, so about Sonic SVM. So this is contract. Explorers are soulscan.io and official website is this, guys. Okay, you can visit their official website on sonic.game. Okay, you can visit their website and I will share with you their Twitter handling as well. So Sonic SVM is the first gaming SVM to launch on Solana. The custom SVM allows for configurability, cheaper rent cost, and avoids hotspots while building distribution for consumer apps through channels like TikTok. Okay, through channels like TikTok. Now, Sonic SVM, Sonic price trend. So market cap, and this is the price. How do you feel about Sonic SVM, Sonic today? 50.5% is giving you a positive upward trend. And so this live Sonic SVM Sonic price update, guys. So this is the price update, live price update of the Sonic SVM. So Sonic SVM price today is within a 24-hour trading volume. And as much as Sonic SVM has a market cap, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ नहीं है, but no problem. Dominant, the Sonic SVM price moved 0.00% in the last 24 hours. So this is the changes, whatever it took place. Get.io का platform पे ये सारा news. Sonic minute goes live. Quick read, these are the quick reads. Holding distributions is also given there. Now, frequently asked questions. Everybody wanted to have different opinions and questions. Okay, so let me explain you this. Okay, now what determines the price movement of Sonic SVM, guys? Okay, you have a question that what determines the price movement of Sonic SVM or Sonic. So there are two schools of thought when it comes to determining the price of a cryptocurrency like Sonic SVM. So by way of intrinsic value is typically assessed through on-chain metrics, project metrics and financial metrics of Sonic SVM. So collectively known as fundamental analysis. So factors such as law of supply and demand, tokenomics, use case, project roadmaps and the regulatory and governance environment will influence the long-term value of Sonic SVM. So by way of price action technical analysis using candlestick chart pattern and indicators like MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands forecasts the price of Sonic SVM on the basis that history trends to repeat itself. Okay guys, so ये रहा आपका. So long term investors usually favor fundamental analysis. Yes, so it is written here, long term investors usually favor fundamental analysis, while short term traders often depend on technical analysis. So yeah, in the practice, combining both approaches can yield intriguing scenarios for Sonic SVM and the broader cryptocurrency market, guys. Okay, now what is the highest price of Sonic SVM price in history? They have asked. Sonic is all-time high, so it is not given here. Now what is the lowest price of Sonic price in history? Lowest price, it is also not mentioned. So what is the current market cap of Sonic SVM? So you see guys, the current market cap of Sonic SVM is also not mentioned, as 36,360.00 million Sonic is trading at the price. How many Sonic SVM are there in the market? Okay guys, they wanted to know ki how much Sonic SVM are there in the market. So they are currently 360.00 million Sonic circulating in the market. So these Sonic SVM can be actively traded or used in the open market. Okay, we got this point. So what is the maximum supply? So you see, you need to see this guys. The maximum supply of Sonic is 2.40 billion, which includes its circulating supply, logged or staked supply, and the supply that has yet to be mined, minted or created. Okay. So now, is Sonic SVM is a good investment, guys? Hello guys. Is a Sonic SVM is a good investment? So you need to listen this. Sonic SVM offers a good potential ROI due to its inherent volatility, okay, which presents numerous profit opportunities. So Everybody wanted to gain profit only. So here you go, they are providing you numerous profit opportunities. So, however, this volatility is a double-edged sword, making it suitable for investors with high risk tolerance and a strong financial position. It is crucial to remember that Sonic SBM and the broader crypto market are subject to extreme market conditions, regulatory changes, social media influence, and other unpredictable factors. There is advisable to exercise risk management and do your own research DY or before investing in Sonic SVM. So guys, I had already told you they are providing you numerous number of features, and you see, do your own research, okay, and before investing in the Sonic. Now, how to buy Sonic, that I will tell you how to buy the Sonic. So now what you have to do, how you can buy this Sonic. So what you have to do here is you have to open this get.io startup. Okay, you have to open this get.io. Now, how you can claim this startup mining. Now, startup tasks. Hold on, guys. ओके, तो ये सारा यहाँ पर आपको लिंक यहाँ पर ओपन करना है, ठीक है। स्टार्टअप माइनिंग, हाउ अबाउट स्टार्टअप माइनिंग, ओके। सो ये सारा है आपको कि कैसे आप यहाँ पे व्हाट इज ये ट्यूटोरियल आई वुड लाइक टू मेक यू सी, ओके। यू जस्ट वॉच दिस ट्यूटोरियल गाइज, ओके।
What is startup mining? Startup mining is a platform where users can stake their assets or provide liquidity to earn rewards in new project tokens. Users can lock specified tokens in the startup mining pool to receive corresponding project token rewards. How can I participate in startup mining with Gate.io app? Log into your Gate.io account and complete KYC to verification. Click Burn Mining. Choose the project and staking pool. Check the pool information. Click Stake, input your desired staking amount, and click Confirm, then input your fund password. How can I participate in startup mining on Gate.io web? Log into your Gate.io account and complete KYC to verification. Click Startup Mining. Choose the project and staking pool. Check the pool information. Click Stake, input your desired staking amount, and click Confirm, then input your fund password. You can check your mining rewards on Reward History, and your staking rewards will be distributed into your spot accounts. In addition, you can redeem your staked assets at any time after the staking ends, or if you redeem your asset in advance, the staked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. You can uncheck this option and the staked assets will be redeemed into your spot assets. Stake with one click. Earn potential new tokens now.
Okay, so this was the short tutorial about how you can about startup mining, okay. So this startup, so there are different airdrops, okay. As you see, there are different airdrops you can claim for free, okay. All right guys, exclusive airdrops, announcements. So when you open the get.io platform, okay, when you open the get.io platform, first thing what you have to do, you have to log in or sign up here, okay. If you are existing, then you can sign up and you can log in as well, okay. Now sign up, you got this, uh, you can create the get.io account by your email and you go for KYC verification, okay. Now this all you get to do on get.io platform. Now in progress, there are different airdrops you see. Now we wanted to claim this airdrop, our airdrop Sonic SVM, okay, Sonic SVM. So what is the time you can claim this airdrop from free for free, and you can start your mining from this 1 day 2 hour 47 minute, okay. So this is the time frame when you start your trading. Now what you can do here is you can claim this free airdrop, okay. So yes, ये आपको ट्यूटोरियल है guys, how you can easy steps to participate in the startup. So this is the tutorial, you need to watch this, okay.
What is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early-stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in startup and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io Startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup? First, log into your Gate.io account, click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages. What is Gate.io Startup? Gate
So guys, you got that point? How you can participate in the get.io platform, and easy steps. There are easy steps to participate in the startup. Okay, this was a short tutorial. Now this about this project. Okay, so you see there's a short information is also given. So you just have to hold no less than 10 GT on your get.io account, and you can claim millions of airdrops, okay, in the get.io platform for the free. Okay, it is also written here, notify me for free airdrops. Now project introduction. So Sonic is the first SVM network extensions to launch on Solana for games and applications, powering web3 TikTok app layer, onboarding the next billion users, built with Sonic Hypergrid, a framework for orchestrating optimistic Solana rollups. Okay, so you see this, he is the founder, CEO and co-founder Chris Ju, founder. So यहाँ पे ये सारा founders वगैरह सब लिखा हुआ है, आप देख सकते हो. Information startup, zero startup purchase price. You see this guys, you have startup purchase price is 0 USDT. Okay, and this is the startup supply. You see guys how much they have a startup supply, and the 100% unlock rule, they are providing you, giving you 100% unlock rule. Okay, so highlight and visions I have already explained to you. Okay, and this tokenomics. So what is this tokenomics? Utility token on Sonic SVM with 10 plus major games live, millions of users onboarded through testnet supporting Sonic X and the TikTok app layer. So Sonic Hypergrid, where Sonic would be the currency powering the multi SVM eco, mention injective SVM launches, and more to come, which will use the Sonic tokens. So it is the Sonic overview as well. Now you see token allocations. There are token allocations also mentioned here. Is early supporters were 8%, investors are 15%, foundation 20%, initial claims 7%. Hypergrid validators 10%, hyperfuse nodes it is 10%, and eco and community is 30% guys. Okay, so notify me for free airdrop. When you click on this, what you need to enter is, you need to enter your phone, email, phone username and the password you have created. You can log in with your by scanning this QR code as well. Okay, you by this, and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ये सारा आपको यहाँ पर ये आपको ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट यहाँ पर आपको खुल जाएगा, एंड यू कैन क्लेम दिस एयर ड्रॉप फॉर फ्री. सो गाइज, get.io is providing you this project for free, and you can start trading this project after 1 day. Okay, so time frame is also given there. Now this was about Sonic. You can buy high distribution. I had already shared all these to you. So this get.io, this guys, get.io platform simplified, they have simplified its platform so that anybody don't face any trouble in claiming different project. Okay, you just simply have to done with your KYC, hold no less 10 GT, and claim million of airdrops guys. Okay, you can claim million of airdrop by doing so. Now so यहाँ पे सोनिक का टाइम फ्रेम दिया हुआ है, स्टार्ट टाइम देख सकते हो आप, इट इज गिवन इज 7 of January, and the starting timing is also given there, and the days time frame. You see coming soon, ऑर्डर बुक आप देख सकते हो, ये सारा दिया हुआ है. एडवांस्ड ऑप्शंस, लॉग इन और क्रिएट अकाउंट, गो टू ट्रेड. ओके, now you see coin market cap, community votes leadership. So first blockchain in Sol. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो फर्स्ट ब्लॉकचेन इन सोल. यस, ओके, आई नीड टू लॉग इन. ओके, आई विल डू इट लेटर. एंड आप देख सकते हो ये इसका सोनिक का कॉइन मार्केट कैप पे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. एंड हिस्ट्री सोल्स, ये पूरा इसका परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में दिया हुआ है गाइज. ऑलराइट, सो परफॉर्मेंस इज ऑल्सो गिवन हियर. Price USD, price Sol, market cap is also given here is $6.32K. Okay, and the volume of last 24 hour is $32.66. FDV is 6.32K and liquidity is $6.32K. Okay, सो आप देख सकते हो ये सारा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है. आप देख सकते हो वॉल्यूम, टोटल सप्लाई इज ऑल्सो गिवन हियर इज. सो यू सी Sonic SVM Soldex pair price live data. So Sonic SVM to Soldex pair, the live Sonic SVM Soldex price on the Solana chain traded on pump.fun is this much. Okay, so this is the chart. देख सकते हो आप वेरिएशंस यहाँ पर कितना है. कम्युनिटी लेटेस्ट हिस्ट्री 1 मिनट की अगर कन्वर्ट की जाए तो ये कुछ चल रहा है 1 आवर. Okay, so this is the so आप देख सकते हो you can claim this airdrop for free. I have already shared the information with you. Now let me show you their official Twitter handling. Okay, so this is their official Twitter handling, guys. They have made 2812 posts. Okay, they have made 2812 posts. So this Sonic SVM, the first SVM to launch on Solana for games and applications. Okay, for games and applications, powering Web3 TikTok app layer, onboarding next billion users. Okay, next billion users. Blockchain, their official website is also given here, and they have joined in August 2021. Okay guys, they have following 1002 and the followers are huge, 514.72K. Okay, now let me check the details. Post is also given here. Now you see this Sonic announcing Sonic, the native token to power Sonic and the multi SVM ecosystem. 57% of Sonic is allocated to the Sonic SVM community, including token reserved for ecosystem and community initial claims and Sonic Hypergrid rewards. Okay, learn more about the Sonic token rule them. I had already discussed with you टोकन. आप देख सकते हो ये सारा आपको टोकन का ये सारा इनका पोस्ट मिल रहा है about, and what is written here is we are excited to launch the alpha vault in collaboration with Livebonk. यहाँ पर ये सारा इनका Solana ecosystem के बारे में, purchasing token, how you can purchase their token. So they have really explained in a very good way. They have given us a whole description about their project, okay, about this really upcoming new project. Okay, get.io. So this is the get.io official free official handle of the Twitter handling, guys. You see get.io have 781 followings. Okay, 781 followings and 2.2 million followers. Okay, देख सकते हो आप यहाँ पर इनका दिया हुआ है Sonic. हाँ, so you see guys, they have posted about this Sonic SVM. Okay, Sonic SVM, save the date guys, save the date. $Sonic USDT trading will go live on get.io at 12 p.m. UTC on January 7. Okay, so you can start trading this Sonic new project from 12 p.m. January 7. Okay, secure your share of $500 Sonic rewards. Okay, 20 winners, $25 each. Follow get.io and Sonic SVM, RT, like and tag 3 friends. New users, okay, new users on get.io to share $1K. Okay, so this is the official website of the get.io where they have explained how you can get this project and when this project will start trading. Okay, from when you will start trading this project. You see this Sonic SVM $500 giveaway. Show more. तो आप देख सकते हो get.io sign up. So they have provided the link on their official website where you got this post, and this is the update of the last 1 hour. Get.io platform has posted this, and there they have given you, they have provided their get.io login or the sign up link. Directly you can link on this, click on this link, and they will reach you. You will reach the login page. Okay, now $10 each KYC is required. Yes, what I have already make you see in the tutorial of the get.io where you have to hold 10 GT and claim for free million of airdrops, and the KYC is definitely very required, guys. After KYC is done, you can claim million of airdrops. Okay, so please done your KYC very carefully and gain profit by claiming millions of airdrops. Now ends at 10 a.m. January 12, 2025. Okay, January 12, 2025. So this was about Sonic. Okay, they have beautifully explained about this project, guys, on their Twitter handling or handling get.io. Save the date. I have already explained you. You save the date, guys. Okay, you save the date. Now, yes. So the first atomic SVM chain, okay, they have 2812 posts. Okay, they have 2812 posts. They are first atomic SVM chain. Okay, you can, you if you wanted to read more about Sonic, the first atomic SVM chain. Okay, Sonic, the first atomic SVM chain, the Sonic SVM. Okay, the first SVM I had already discussed. Souls people have Solana people have introduced this very different kind of airdrop for the gaming economics, and I had already discussed this blockchain mirror world and Sonic game. After clicking on this, you can get to know more about this Sonic, and but I had already discussed very beautifully, okay, about this Sonic game. So this was about this hypergrid I had already discussed, and this Sonic price I had already discussed with you all. Sell one Sonic and amount buying. ओके, सो USDTs आप देख सकते हो, ये सारा यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है इस बारे में. तो सोनिक वेबसाइट ये इन लोगों का ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है, तो मैं ये खोल देती हूँ. एंड आई हैड ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दिस वेबसाइट यहाँ पर. ओके, आई हैड ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दिस वेबसाइट, and you see you can get to know more about this Sonic airdrop on our get.io platform. Okay, so you see, experiencing the gaming of light. So guys, this was about this project, and I had already told you guys that this project is really very much important. Okay, this project holds a very much important position, and they are grabbing the attention due to its due to its lot of more significant features. Okay, so Rush on-chain game development. So Rush is a Rust based ECS framework that streamlines blockchain integration, allowing any game to become a fully on-chain game on autonomous world. Okay, so this is about watch demo. So demo is also given here. You can watch this demo as well. They have provided a very brief information in game rest trading, asset trading, secure user authentication, customizable on-chain logic, on-click development. Okay, ecosystem friendly integrations. Okay, so this was built on Sonic for gaming partner. Join Sonic Accelerate for ecosystem partner. Join Spin program. They are providing you two different program. Okay, they are providing you guys two different program. For gaming partners, you can join Sonic Accelerate, and for ecosystem partner, you can join Spin program. Okay, investors. So they are the investing partners of this Sonic program. Okay, you see there are different investing partners of Sonic program. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. The foremost important one is Soul. Okay, important one is Soul. You see partners, important one is Soul. देख सकते हो. Stay up to date. Be the first to know about the last updates and launch, subscriptions, gaming partner, ecosystem partners. Okay, so that news you can also get in the Get.io platform after claiming this airdrop. If you wanted to get a different airdrop news and know how to claim, you can follow this Get.io platform, where you get simplified you can get to know simplified in a simplified way how you can trade with you can trade and start claiming different airdrops. Okay, so Get.io platform provides a very simplified information about different airdrops. So guys, be the first one to claim this airdrop freely. Okay, and the timeline is given here. After that, you cannot claim this free airdrop. You have to hold 10 GT on your account. Okay guys, you have to hold 10 GT on your Get.io account and you can freely claim this airdrop. Okay, so yes, this project definitely will enhance the future of the gaming economics, and because it is a very very different airdrop from other airdrops. Okay, and I had already explained you why this airdrop occupies so much different position. Okay, and yes, they have Solana's where have presented a very different program, guys. All right, so guys, I hope you have loved this live session and I was able to provide you ample of information about this project. Okay, and I had shared the tutorial as well, how you can claim this airdrop on our platform, which is Get.io platform. Why I wanted you to claim this project on Get.io platform, because they have simplified their platform, where you can claim million of free airdrops. Okay, and you can get the news, so you notify me for free airdrops as well. Alright, so this was about my today's live session, and I hope you have loved this live session, guys, and I would like to welcome each and everyone for my next live session. So have a nice day, guys.